Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from Purposely Pixel, and today we're going to take a look at the Pixel 4a 5G. Now we know that the device is an older device and it was released in October of 2020, but we're going to take a look at this to see if it's actually relevant today. So let's get into it. So first, let me give my thoughts on the Pixel 4a 5G. I actually like the device. I thought it was a very nice device, and I have to admit that I was a little bothered by the size of it coming from a Pixel 4 XL. So when I saw the Pixel 4a 5G and the price, I said, let me give it a shot, and I'm happy that I did. Now, in order to cut costs, what Google did with the Pixel 4a 5G versus the 5 was they eliminated a few things. So they eliminated the 90 Hz refresh rate screen. They took away 2 gigs of RAM. The battery's a little smaller. There's no IP rating, but they did add a 3.5mm jack. The cameras are still the same. The screen resolution is the same, but they bumped it up to a 6.2-inch screen. The Gorilla Glass is a little different. It's not as strong on the Pixel 4a 5G, but that's about it. I've been using the device for the last few weeks on and off between my Pixel 6 Pro, my Pixel 6, and the 4a 5G, and I have to say that the device is still very solid even for today's times. If you don't have a lot of money and you're looking to pick up a mid-range device that offers you 5G connectivity, good battery life, 128 gigs of memory built in, a 3.5mm jack, a decent sized screen, software has been solid and steady, and it continues to get software updates. It's running Android 12 on mine right now. Performance has been solid for the type of device that you get. I have no issues with speed, scrolling, or gaming. They all seem to work out well. You're talking about a device that's less than $500, and I'm sure you could find deals on it somewhere along the line. So the battery size is 3,885 mAh, and with the 60 Hz screen, it pretty much lasts me the full day, depending on your usage, obviously. The 3.5mm jack has been a blessing. The 60 Hz screen doesn't really bother me much. If you never had a high refresh rate screen, then you won't even know it. The 6.2 OLED screen is bright enough for me, crisp and clear. 6 gigs of RAM, I don't have any stutters or slowness while I'm using the device. So all in all, my basic take on it is that the Pixel 4a 5G is very relevant today. I mean, if you're a high-end user, it's a great device to have as a spare on the side. The Pixel 4a 5G has solid battery life, fantastic rear cameras, reliable performance, great software support, and then there's the addition of the headphone jack and 5G support. With these features, the price tag, I think you can't go wrong. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you still have a Pixel 4a 5G. Drop a comment down below. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. This is Lenny Bonds signing off from Purposely Pixel.